I have to share something with you guys. See this little bad boy? It's a bit smaller, yes. Of course an emulation device, but a cool one. With, these things are so nice. And a slot to read cartridges with. Now if you buy one of these, it comes with a 1.00 firmware thingy installed. If you don't know about it, then this device will not play all your games, but there is a firmware update on the AtariAge forums. It's good to know. But that was still not what I wanted to share. But Jeffrey, what do you want to share then, man? Get on with it! Well, I had all these games sitting here on my desk, and I was putting them one by one in this system. And I did it all on stream, which was really fun. Yeah. Now these things, I'm cleaning them and then testing them and see if they work or not. On the 1.00 firmware still, because I can't upgrade to 1.0, whatever they have now. It's a beta. They don't allow me on the forum for some reason. I can only browse as a guest. I can't download attachments apparently. I hope once I get access I can download the firmware properly. They say they activate your account in 24 hours, while mine is locked out already for 48 hours plus, I think. Someone is being lazy over there at AtariAge forums. Hey, post-production Jeffrey here. In the meantime, while I was editing and producing this video, I got access to the forum. And I was introduced as well to a new update. The one that I showed you was the Christmas update. They already have a new one, still in beta. As time goes on, they will iron out all the kinks and we get a perfect update, I'm sure of it. And I'm helping now, because I'm reporting that I have issues. I don't know what kind of issues I'm talking about here, but who cares? So I was playing Centipede to stream, didn't enjoy it anymore, wanted to try out a different game, and then nothing would load. This is not working. It seems like a decent card. I was also having a bit of a wobbly issue with the card at some point. This is where the shit was already happening. Oh my god. It also feels like I can't get the cartridge in normally. So what happened? We tested a couple of the cartridges and none of them wanted to work. So, kind of shitty, you know. Ends up being a problem with my slot. There was a pin kaput. You can see pins, and you see a pin on the left missing, on the right missing. That is normal. There shouldn't be anything there. But the one in the middle, that's the culprit. Every time I pushed in a new cartridge, I actually bended the pin farther and farther down into the machine. And it doesn't read any games anymore. So sad. Aww. So on the AtariAge forum that I can still browse as a guest, they offer, there is Ben. Hey Ben! Ben offers to repair them or send you spare parts. I'm not going to open up this thing. I have warranty. And I'm not that handy. So this is going back to the Dutch Amazon. Let's call them the Dutch Amazon. And I ordered already a new one. Oh, I don't do unboxing videos anymore, people. That's what I said. Oh man. Oh, this box is already falling apart. Cool. My new one. It's a bit shiny now. There's a nice cover on it. Oh, nice. It's a cover. And I think some people will throw this away. I keep it. It's a dust cover. There it is. Yes. Yes. I can do Wizard of Wars, guys. Oh, I'm happy. Power off. The pins are still there. Then we can check out something else. Yes, exciting. Oh, cool. Happy to have you back again. Atari 2600 Plus. So in the end it all turns out fine with the band pin and the firmware and everything. Points. But the Atari 2600 Plus is maybe a bit weak with its pins. So take care of your pins, guys. I did it. Yeah. It can be a rage game. No! I wanted to swap the maze. Jesus! So, thank you for watching. What am I doing? And thank you for subscribing. Playing a video game, Jeffrey. Cheers.